Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the series for day trading strategies. This is the third video regarding this strategy, and this is, uh, uh, will keep coming. Strategies will keep coming on this channel, so please subscribe my channel, like my video. Now this is the 15 minutes chart of gold. Now watch here. In this, we don't need to see upper support in bearish 15-minute reversals. This is just for 15 minutes and for day trading. When 15 minutes uh, are bullish, next 15 minutes have wick and are bearish. Next 15 minutes close below this wick, then enter this in trade. Here is entry and stop loss exactly, just keeping in mind the spread above this level and TP at the next support. Here is the TP. Now this was the and next thing, we can enter in this trade even at above levels. Then we will have the uh, uh, nearby stop loss. Now watch here. We will see open 5 minutes when we have these 2 15 minutes. Okay, if we want to take the trade, and now sometimes the markets go down from even wick also, but at this level. Now let me show you the next entry. Let me how to enter into this trade with small stop loss. Now here, watch here. Now let me remove this. Now open the 5 minutes. Here are the 5 minutes. We can enter in the 5 minutes at this level. Now we will have even have a small stop loss. Either here, either here. Now it's your choice. How small stop loss do you want? Either you want to skip the trade. It's all up to you. But these are all the, even if when the market has this, and you may take this trade, but next thing you will have to care for is the range. The support must have enough range. When the support doesn't have enough range, this will not work. Let us find here some examples. For example, here, now let me show you here. Okay, here just 15 minutes ended with a wick, and the market did not even went down below this wick. First important thing is the market must go down that wick and once again come to, then we can take the entry here. But the support must have the distance. Here support did not have the distance, so this was not the valid entry. And watch here, Here we the gold just had the wick, but the it did not break. And next thing, this was full of supports. So this is a strategy that I wanted to share with you, and I will keep uh, making strategy videos for day tradings with minimum SL and good tech profit options. So like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.